So we're learning the halachas of Sira. The Torah says that every single day from the second day of Pesach till before Shavuos we count 49 days, which is 7 weeks, and each week 7 days. So the question is, when I count, today is the 12th day, and I say Hayom Shneim Asa Yamin Omer. Today is 12th day of the Omer. Do I get the mitzvah? The Torah says this works if it's in middle of the week. But if it's the end of the week, it doesn't work. So for example, for the 12th day, you could say today is the 12th day of the Omer. Because when it's the 12th day, it is the 12th day. However, when I get to the 14th day, and I say today is the 14th day of the Omer, I didn't get the mitzvah because the Torah says I also have to count weeks. And a week is always the end of the week. So in other words, by Friday night, I'm going to say like this. Today is the 14th day of the Omer, which is 2 weeks. But I have to say 2 weeks at the end of a week. So every end, I must count the week. But the days between the weeks, I don't have to specify the week. I could just say the day. So the 15th day, I could say today is the 15th day of the Omer. Today is the 16th day of the Omer, and that's good, because I'm counting the days. But when it comes to the end of the week, like the 21st day, I have to say today is 3 weeks. Because the Torah wants me to count days and weeks. However, by us, if you realize the way we counted the Omer today, we said like this, Hayom Shneim Asa Yom, today is 12 days, which is 1 week and 5 days to the Omer. It's not because you need to, but we want to be more clear. We want to say the mitzvah in the proper way. So it's better to say not only the days, but how many days in the week we're holding. But really, it doesn't make a difference, because if I say it's 12 days, automatically it's a week and 5 days. Because if it's 12 days, it's a week and 5 days. So it's really redundant. It's like saying good yontif. Yontif means it's good. So why do I have to say good yontif? So really you don't need to say between the weeks how many days and the week. You just say today is the 12th day. 12th day is a week and 4 and 5 days. That's what 12 is. 12 is 7 and 5. So why do I have to specify it? But we want to be more specific. We want to be more like detailed. But you don't have to. However, if you counted just the weeks, for example, on the 8th day, you say today is 1 week and 1 day, but I didn't say the days. You got what I said? So let's say I said today is 1 week and 5 days, but I didn't say it's the 12th day. Do I get the mitzvah or not? So he says, if it's in the middle of the week, so then I said today is 1 week and 5 days, it's good. But if it's at the end of the week, I have to count the day and the week. So for example, if it's on the end, I will have to say today is 14th day, which is 2 weeks. Because if I'm only going to say 2 weeks and not count the day, then I didn't count the day. But if I say today is 1 week and 5 days, I did the mitzvah, even though I didn't say it's the 12th day. So basically, why am I sharing these laws with you? Is because a lot of times you're in a certain situation, you don't have a prayer book in front of you, or you don't have the app on the phone in front of you. So you could say, oh, today's the 13th day. You didn't say it's the 1 week and 6 days and 4. You did the mitzvah. You know what I mean? As long as you say the number of the day. However, by the end of the week, of each week, you're going to have to also say how many weeks it is. So it's not just enough the day, I have to also say how many weeks. So it's 14th day, which is 2 weeks. It's the 21st day, which is 3 weeks. The 28th day, which is 4, and that's how we go. So Hashem should help that we should be able to do the mitzvah properly, not only to count the days, but to refine our character trait. This week is the week of Gevurah, discipline, which discipline is a very hard thing on ourselves, to discipline ourselves, how we talk, when to listen, and so on. And today is Hod Gevurah, which is humility. To be disciplined, you have to be humble and not do it for yourself, do it for the right purpose. And Hashem shall help that we get to the 49th day, and through that receive the Torah on a higher level. Mashiach, Amen.
Amen.